All right, financial math classes. Today we're talking about two things. We're talking about piecework and salary jobs. Piecework are jobs in which you would get paid on a per item basis. So you produce an item, you get paid for that item you produce or amount of work. Most of the jobs I can think of that would be piecework jobs would be things that you'd probably be self-employed with. So if you go online like Etsy, people that produce items for people get paid per item that they do. I know a popular summer job of like mowing lawns, getting paid per lawn you mow. That would be a piecework job. All right. The example here is a soccer team fundraiser receiving $20 per vehicle for a car wash. Again, that would be piecework, that sort of thing. So real simple how this works. So example, Audrey Lorenz assembles gift baskets for a florist. The owner pays her 45 cents per small basket and 75 cents per large basket. On Tuesday, she assembled 288 small baskets and then 72 large ones. What is her total pay? So first thing you need to do, calculate out the total. So she did for small baskets. All right, she did 288 small baskets and she gets 45 cents per basket. So 288 times 40.45. That's $129. $129.60. For a large basket, she did 72 large baskets and she gets 75 cents per large basket. So that 72 times 0.75. That comes out to $54. And then to figure out the total, you just add those two together. So the total is going to be the 129.60 plus 54. And that comes out to 183.60. So real simple for the piecework. Again, just you want to pay attention to how much she's getting paid for each. So 45 cents for small, and then 75 cents for large ones, and you just make sure you're multiplying those through. All right. The next thing we're talking about today are salary jobs. So salary jobs is when you get paid a fixed amount on a regular basis. All right. A lot of jobs are salary jobs. So example, as a teacher, I get paid on a salary. Typical pay periods is what we call them, is how often you get a paycheck. So let me back up a little bit. So a salary job, you're going to get paid a set amount for the year. And then that amount is per pay period, per paycheck is divided by how many pay periods you're doing. So typical pay periods would be weekly. So that'd be 52 times a year. Bi-weekly, which means every 2 weeks, which would be 26 times a year. Then there is, we'll go semi-monthly. Semi-monthly means twice a month. So that'd be 24 times a year. And then monthly would be 12 months. There's also quarterly and semi-annually. Example for me, I'm as a teacher in the district, I get paid 10 months out of the year. Our district, we can fill out paperwork, get paid 12 months out of the year, but I only get a paycheck from my teaching job 10 months out of the year. But let's go ahead and look at example. So Tom Costello is a web designer. His annual salary is $67,400. What is Tom's monthly salary? What is his weekly salary? So monthly, if he's getting paid monthly. All right, what you need to do is think think of how many pay periods in monthly. It'd be 12. So the monthly, I'm going to do the 67,400, and I'm going to divide by 12. It's 12 months in a year. So 67,400 divided by 12 comes out to 5,616.67. That'd be his monthly. His weekly salary. Weekly, there are 52 weeks in a year. So I'm going to take the 67, divide that by 52 to see what his weekly salary would be. So 67,400 divided by 52 comes out to 1,296.15. Let's show you another example of what you're going to see in your assignment today. So we have the different pay periods. So weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually. All you're going to do is take this, the 15,600, to figure out the weekly salary. You divide the 15,600 by 52. So 15,600 divided by 52 comes out to 300. All right. Then here, I would take this 15,600 divided by 26. So 15,600 divided by 26. That comes out to 600. Semi-monthly. So 15,600 divided by 24. That's 650. Monthly. 15,600 divided by 12 would be 1,300. Quarterly, 15,600 divided by 4 comes out to 3,900. And then semi-annually, 15,600 divided by 2 comes out to 7,800. So again, all you're doing for this to figure this out, you're going to take your annual salary and then divide it. You are dividing by the number of pay periods. That will do it. All right. Next time we're talking about commission. See you next time.